All right, this is mine. Homemade pancakes with syrup, my fish, and that's Ace pancake. What's left over, and his orange juice with ice. He loves ice. That's my orange juice, that's my water. So, and we're looking at this. Go ahead, Ace. We love to look at the funny videos. What happened? What are you said I got to see? Y'all watching this with me. This one? Oh, goodness. Look, what? Some people do some silly stuff. Then look how he get up. He know he embarrassed. on? Hey fam. Well, today is, the time is 7:48 p.m. and it's been raining. It rained pretty hard a couple of hours ago. And today is, man, I get so mixed up on these dates. But today is, come on, Mama, what is today? Today is June 18th. Let's see. No, today is June 19th. Okay, Sunday, June 19th, 7:48 is when I'm just picking up the camera. We're doing our walk. I did not walk this morning. So, by me walking, trying to walk every day, at least on 1 or 2 days, I kind of relax, walk, and so my relaxed walk usually just be around the apartment complex on just a relaxed walk. So that is what I wanted to check in with you all. I'm so upset because I went to one of my favorite restaurants down here today, and the name of that restaurant is Big Daddy's, and had a great plate. Oh my God, that plate rocked me to sleep, y'all. And it was, I had curry oxtail, yellow rice, cornbread, collard greens, and potato salad. I didn't eat it all. Oh, and strawberry lemonade. But it rocked me to sleep. So I'll talk to y'all later.